Hello everyone, let us now discuss the difference between correlation and regression. Correlation, as we know that it refers to a statistical measure that determines the relation between two variables. It depicts the degree to which two variables are correlated. Regression implies that statistical tool used to identify the nature of relationship existing between dependent variables and a set of independent variables. Now let us further discuss some of the differences between correlation and regression. Correlation, as the name suggests, it is a statistical measure that ascertains the relationship between two variables, whereas regression refers to a group of statistical process that estimates the relation between dependent variable, one and more independent variable. Coming to the next point, the correlation is to obtain the numerical value that depicts the relationship between the variables, whereas the regression to determine the value of a random variable depending on the values of a fixed variables. In the correlation, it is to the degree to which two variables move together, whereas in the regression, the effective of one unit change in the known variable, that is y. The next differences are correlation, it has the value between -1 to 1, whereas in the regression, if byx is greater than 1, then bxy will be less than 1. The next is the correlation coefficient is independent of any change of the scale or shift in origin, whereas in the regression coefficient is dependent on the change of scale. However, it is independent of shift in the origin, whereas correlation is mutual and symmetrical. Regression is not symmetrical. Correlation, it shows the linear relationship between the two variables, whereas the regression, it fits the best line and estimates one variable on the basis of another. These were the some of the differences between correlation and regression. Thank you for watching.